Yes, sir. Go for it. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh, you can definitely tell the difference there. Golly.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
You tell the difference?
Yeah. What have we created?
A little bit of sag in the head speed. I don't have as much overhead in the gearing to support the voltage drop of the A113.
I see.
I might back it down to 27 so I get a more confident head speed.
There you go.
Do a little drag racing action. Wow.
That was nice. That was fun. Okay.
Little bounce.
Oh, oh man.
Man, it's got so much more pop. It's inverted.
Yep, he's a regular here.
Now I'm used to having to give it a little more negative during the flips. Boy, this one's got a lot more pop.
Beautiful sound.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Seems like this place is smart.
Yes, sir, and it's kicking up.
Probably about
Yeah, easily.
Danny altitude.
Are you doing forward flips yet? Was that a forward? That was back.
There's a full.
Hey!
Alright, I'm gonna bring it back in.
It sound?
I can hear the RPM.
Yes. Yeah, I heard it too.
I don't think I'm gonna get my 430 out of this pack. I got 4 minutes and 25 seconds out of that one before it's done. Well, it definitely eats more power at 2800.
Oh yeah.
But God, is it quick!
And fun.
Oh yeah.
All right. Temp check.
Get the motor first before it cools off. 158, 161, 173 I saw. Yeah, 174 up at the top where the heat's coming
Hope I
out.
don't step on the Swift.
Speed controller right here at the front. We've got 109, 108, 110. Battery packs, 104, 103.
Motor?
Already done motor, 170.
170.
Let's see, we got 162, 164, 168. Tail servo is 87 degrees. And again, the packs are, get it right up in there, I'm getting 117 in between the cells. Not bad.
Nope. Sweet. Okay.